What is the response of the JSC to what has happened? But by way of clarification, it is important that I should put the record straight and further clarify and explain the facts leading to the situation now. On the 24th of July 2023, the retired magistrate applied for leave to go to London for medical reasons. That leave was granted by me. At the end of that leave, he applied for an extension the second time, which I also granted. Thereafter, by the 25th of August 2023, he applied for a further extension of that leave. Upon consideration of the request, I refused to grant the application because it did not meet the requisite conditions for the grant. He said he was going to London again for medical. He did not attach further medical papers to show that he has an appointment in the London clinic. So I refused to grant that extension. And I communicated this to him in writing and asked him to resume back to his duties as a magistrate. He refused to resume. And on the 9th of January 2024, the formal query was issued to him from my office. Query was served on him on the 9th of January. He responded on the 10th of January. He responded, but still refused to resume. I then made a formal report on the 23rd of January 2024 to the JSC. JSC, upon my report, set up a panel to look into the complaint which I have laid against the magistrate. He appeared before the panel, and the panel heard from him, and the panel gave a decision, gave a recommendation to the JSC. JSC accepted the recommendations and gave two options to the magistrate. First, that he should retire voluntarily from service within 14 days, or he will be compulsory retired from service. This decision was communicated to him from my office. He refused to take the option given to him. So the JSC did a letter. The letter is dated in 20th December, giving him the options. Option to either voluntarily leave the service or to be retired compulsorily. He refused to take the options. Then, by a letter dated 12th of February, the Commission retired him compulsorily. This was communicated to him. So, from our record, from the 10th day of February 2025, he ceased to be a magistrate. So the letter he circulated yesterday is a contraption. It's a mischievous contraption. I don't know for what purpose he wants to achieve, but from records available, he has ceased to be a magistrate because the JSC has compulsorily retired him from service.